Well, your name and your badge number? Your name and your badge number?
Who are you?
Who am I?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't answer that. I'm just a good citizen.
Okay, well then you get off my scene.
Are you serious?
I'm gonna ask you nicely to back up.
That's why there's a disconnect between citizens and law enforcement. You guys look for it, bro.
You don't have to
I
be
just
here.
asked you your name,
bro. You
bro.
don't have to be here.
Where's your sergeant?
Wait, reset,
I am the sergeant.
Oh, you're the sergeant? Are you serious? Can I talk to the lieutenant?
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video is from Jay's Surreal Camera. Many of you might remember him from a story I ran back in January.
Am I detained or am I free to go? It's simple. It's simple. Am I detained? All right, if you're not going to answer me, I'm going to go. Simple?
Where are you going to go? Okay, go ahead.
Okay,
go.
Thank you very much.
All we needed to do was figure out what's going on.
I'm just looking around,
Okay.
period.
And
What's the problem? Is there a problem with that?
No,
It's an investigation.
For
okay?
what?
For suspicious activity.
Filming?
Yes. Let me see the press card that you had.
Oh,
You
okay.
have your information on there?
No, but this gives me the right to film.
That arrest case is still pending, with an upcoming court date on March 25th, which will be followed by a civil suit. To view that full video, use the card above. For updates on this video or that previous case, be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Jay was in Homestead, Florida, filming the result of a traffic collision. Curious as to what happened and working in the favor of public interest, Jay asked Sergeant Harris what happened so he could report on the incident accurately to his viewers.
Excuse me, officer, what happened? Like, it was just like a head-on collision? Or?
No. Car was turning.
Oh, yeah?
One car was turning in front of the other.
Oh, all right, cool. Well, your name and your badge number? Your name and your badge number?
Who are you?
Who am I?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't answer that. I'm just a good citizen.
Okay, well then you get off my scene.
Get off your scene?
Get off my scene.
You don't have caution tape?
Sir, back up off my scene. I don't want you to go to jail on my scene. So you don't have anything to do with this? So back up off my scene.
Yeah, but I could film all I want.
I'm going to ask you nicely to back up off my scene.
What's your name and your badge number?
I'm going to ask you nicely to back up off my scene.
Are you serious?
I'm going to ask you nicely to back up.
Do you feel good right now?
Don't come off the sidewalk.
But do you feel good right now? You feel manly right now? No, but does he feel manly right now? You bullied me. You feel manly? I'm just filming. I'm just filming, bro. But you don't gotta act like that, bro. That's why there's a disconnect between citizens and law enforcement. You guys look for it, bro.
You don't have to.
I just asked you your name, bro.
You don't have to be here.
I don't have to give you my name. You don't understand that?
I'm gonna ask you again.
I'm a journalist. I see all this.
Okay, that's cool.
So you're gonna take me to jail for filming?
You're in my scene. You don't have to
This is hilarious, man. It's your scene, all right. I don't see any caution tape. I can stand here all I want. It's a public sidewalk. Where's your sergeant?
Wait, reset,
I am the
reset.
sergeant.
Oh, you're the sergeant? Are you serious? Can I talk to the lieutenant?
There's no one here.
Reset
Oh,
for a second, okay?
Yeah,
We only asked you to step back because we're getting ready to load.
I understand that. The only thing I asked him was his name. And then he started getting all mad asking me for me.
You have nothing to do with this. Why are you asking me my name?
Just who I spoke with. I'm recording the scene.
But you have nothing to do with this. Why would you be asking me my name? You have nothing.
Because I'm a citizen.
You're not related to them. So why are you here?
I'm a journalist.
Okay, well,
it's freedom of press.
Stand up over
Do you
there.
know the Constitution?
Stand up over there.
I have the Constitution in my pocket.
Stand up over there.
I'm on the sidewalk. Yo, are you serious? I'm on the sidewalk.
You're good.
Don't worry, I got my law firm right here. So you want to take me to jail? Let's go. You want me to call him right now so I can put him on the phone? You want me to call? Look, I got you. I'll call right now. I'll call right now. I'm a journalist, bro.
Stop.
Just ask him his name, bro.
Okay.
Then you guys wonder why things are, then you guys are always, but safety, the law enforcement safety. Look how you guys act, bro.
Okay. We're concerned that if you're standing there, that cable snaps, it rolls over you.
I get it. But the only thing I asked him was his name. That's it. Stand back, stand back, stand back. Like, come on, really? He ain't scaring nobody, bro. You want to take me to jail? Go ahead. It's just going to be another lawsuit for me. That's all it is. And that's not what I'm here for. But I do have my rights have been violated, so I have my law firm right here on emergency dial.
The idea that a journalist feels the need to have a law firm on speed dial so that he can safely and effectively conduct his job is terribly frightening, and is just one symptom of a growing disconnect between law enforcement and the public. Officers across the country are poorly educated in the law, even though they are charged with enforcing it, and with no legal duty to protect private citizens. Special police powers such as qualified immunity, the lack of civilian review boards, and the monopoly on the initiation of violence allows law enforcement officers to dismiss concerns of the public. The absence of some sort of balance of power tends to lead cops into an internal power struggle, where their ego and negative bias of the people they serve is able to fester and grow into what we've just witnessed. Jay simply asked for a name, and in today's day and age, the question, name and badge number, is seen as a disrespect of an officer's perceived authority. Whether it is or isn't shouldn't cause an act of aggression, as the hostility's only effect is a widening of the gap.
I'm just filming, that's all I'm doing.
If he step off that sidewalk, it's a different story.
And he's the sergeant. Nice.
If you step off that sidewalk, it's a different story.
I know you're gonna bully me. I know you'll probably shoot me in the back like you do, right? Give me a break, bro. Just for filming. I film law enforcement. I'm a journalist. There's nothing wrong with that. Is there something wrong with that?
No.
Exactly. It's a free country. Is this America?
Yes, it is.
All right, thank you.
And
it's a free country, bro.
You just happen to be in a bad spot, potentially, that you could have gotten hurt. That's all.
No, and I listen. I understand, officer. I'm sorry. Your name is Rubens. Thank you, Rubens. Your badge, really quick.
0025.
There you go. I just asked to see who I'm speaking with. That's it. And it's your policy that when citizens talk to you, to identify.
It's your right to ask.
And I don't have to identify. He was asking me who am I. I don't have to identify. I was just asking him, hey, officer, is anybody hurt? What happened? Being nice, being cordial. Just because I asked him his name, he got all upset. And that's the sergeant? I feel bad for the company. But I will file a complaint. It's all good. You are very professional, Rubens. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, man.
Get my name right when you file your complaint.
Oh, I definitely will. Thank you. But you see how simple that was? You didn't have to be bullying me off the sidewalk and all that. I was just talking to you. All you have to say is, hey, sir, can you talk right there and I'll talk to you. That's it. That's all you have to tell me. That's all you have to tell me, bro. You don't have to act like that, man. You really don't, bro.
That's cool, because everything I did is recorded.
No, I'm recording too. And you're going to see that in your policy, when citizens talk to you, you got to identify, bro. And you know that, man.
No.
You don't have to identify?
If you don't have anything to do with this, and I'm in the middle of something, then I don't have to speak to you right then.
But if
you want to talk to me, don't be on my scene telling me. If you want to talk to me, don't be on my scene telling me what happened. If you're not related to them, you're not related to them. Why should I tell you what happened?
Can I ask you something?
At a certain point, most news reporters will stand out of the way. And then they'll say, hey,
I just went up to you to talk to you. Yeah, I went to talk to you.
Out here.
But all you have to tell me is, sir, look, can you move to the sidewalk and we'll talk?
Don't come on scene and say, let me talk. You stand out of the way, and we'll get to you when we can get to you.
So why did you start talking to me when I was there? You got upset when I asked you your name.
Because you're all the way out here on my scene.
You got upset when I asked you your name.
You're all the way out here on my scene. Which part of that don't you understand?
No, what don't you understand?
You're on my scene.
All right, bro. Your name's on it? Where's your name? I'm sorry, where's your name? I'm sorry about that. I missed it. Exactly.
You better not step off that side.
That's what they do. That's why I film them all the time, dog. Trust me, bro.
That's cool. That's why we got body.
They be shooting people and they get away with it. Just always film, bro. And when you go to get that body cam, they give you the runaround for months. And you know what they do to it? They redact it. That's why you gotta get your own camera, dog. Trust me on this. Ain't nothing wrong with filming the government. Freedom of press is the First Amendment. Think about it, bro. This is America. That is a free country, dog. It ain't their country. It's our country, dog. We pay them. You guys didn't know that. They take your taxes to pay them, to pay that cop. That cop car is ours, not theirs. Think about it, bro. And they act like that. It's messed up, man. All I did was ask him his name.
The incident ends after a few more minutes of filming the scene without any other interactions, but the accountability should begin here. This sergeant should not hold a position of power, let alone supervise others with power. On Jay's video, the pinned comment features Esquire titling and portrays an email that was sent to the Florida City Chief of Police, the Mayor, and Commissioner. The email was drafted so well that it deserves your attention. It says the following: the sergeant's tone, mood, and attitude changed unexpectedly and suddenly when the journalist asked him for his name and badge number. He became surly and aggressive, and begins to order the journalist off my scene, stating that because he's not related to either of the parties, he has no business being there. It is a matter of settled law that anyone may film police in public while performing their duties. The police may direct journalists to move when lawfully present on public property only if there is a legitimate government interest that cannot be accomplished through less intrusive means. Therefore, concerns regarding public safety, officer safety, or preserving a crime scene are legitimate reasons to direct someone to move. But Sergeant Harris appeared to use his power and authority in a reactionary manner to exert control over the journalist by demanding he move. A sergeant who allows his judgment and decision-making to be affected because of perceived disrespect of his authority, because he was asked to provide his name and badge number, or because someone declines to provide their name when they are under no obligation to do so, lacks the temperament to hold a position of power. His reactionary and patronizing demeanor indicates a retaliatory move that influenced the manner in which he conducted himself, which demonstrates an abuse of his authority and discretion. This misconduct indicates he may pose a liability risk to the city due to his immaturity and poor judgment. The Chief of Police responded with the following: "I'm in receipt of your email and would like to thank you for bringing this YouTube video to our attention. I will review the contents included. This information has also been sent to his immediate supervisor as well, Lieutenant Butts. The email addresses are on screen if you wish to share your own thoughts. But before you do, head over to Jay's Surreal Camera and let him know that I sent you. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you have an interaction you'd like me to review, email it, submit it on my website, or through Facebook Messenger. All links are down below." That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.